Oh, are we seeing the vision? Are we seeing it? I'm kind of seeing it, guys. Kind of seeing it. Hi guys, Shavonte here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a monochromatic look. It's going to be browns. It's going to be, well, basically all brown. And it's going to be a wet eye look, so if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. So I've already done my base, obviously. Basically the same base I did in the last video, just a little less dewy because I have work and I don't want to be oily. I'm not sure how the base lasts because I didn't really go anywhere last time I did that look. So let's get started. The palette I'm going to be using today is this palette from Nice Cosmetics. I believe it is Nice, just with two eyes. That's what we're going to assume it is anyway. It did get a bit damaged in transit. That is not me digging out the palette. It's just damaged in transit. But we're going to try this out today. One of my followers sent it and yeah, it looks really pretty, so that's what we're going to do. But basically we're just going to be using browns, so it should be pretty simple. We're also going to be using the Shake Primer because obviously last video I only used it on the glitters and I want to see what it looks like on just regular eyeshadow, so that's what we're going to use. So I don't know how to put it. It says to use it with fingers, but it's hard to kind of put it on my... Oh! No, that was dumb. I think that's why I said use your fingers. That was really, really dumb. Let's just spread it out quick before it goes in my fucking eye. Oh my god, no. Well, that was dumb. Don't do that. We're gonna just spread it out with this brush. This is from... Where's it from again? I don't remember where it's from. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand because I don't know what the frig that was that I was trying to do right there. I didn't think it was gonna come out like that. So yeah, if you ever get this, don't do what I just did just now. Be smart about it. This primer is like very, I'd say it's an oil base because it's not really watery. It's oily almost. Just gonna get a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with this light brown shade here, just like as almost as like a transition shade just up here, and I'm gonna just pack it on because it's almost like my same color really up here. Yeah, it's almost my skin tone. So this tutorial is gonna be a really quick tutorial because obviously I've already done my base and I just want to show you guys how to do a wet look. I've never actually tried it myself really, so I don't know why I'm saying I'm going to show you guys, but yeah. I haven't even done my brows yet. I'm gonna hold your breath until you feel it in the air when I go under. And I'm gonna go in with this brown right here, which is a bit darker. And I'm probably gonna use the one underneath as well. It's almost like an off brown shade, but this one right here, it's like a reddish brown. I'm gonna go in with them and just mix them too. Just a review on the palette. Like, it has a lot of pigment. Like, a lot of pigment. I'm quite pleasantly surprised. So that's a good thing. The browns are a bit grey toned, but obviously that's probably how they're meant to be. So I quite like it as well, actually. Yeah, I think it'll go nice with the look, actually, because my lip gloss I'm going in with is kind of the same tone. I'll have to use the other colours really because they're quite nice in there. I'm kind of upset, I don't know what that shade, oh, it's a shimmer. I don't really use shimmers that much, I'm not too upset about that, but the orange, I'm a bit upset about that one because I will be using the orange. I like a nice bright colour, so a bit upset about that one. Go back in with that nude shade and just blend this out. Okay, and I'm going to go under my eye with it as well. And I'm going to be using this pencil brush right here, and I'm just going to go and use the same colours under my eye. I might darken up a bit with some black, depending how I feel. I quite like this reddish brown. It's almost like don't know what it's like. I'm quite bad at describing things, so yeah, let me just stop right there. I just darken the outer corners. I don't know why. I'm acting like I'm doing this just as it is. But there we go, I darken the outer corners. I just get excited with eyeshadow sometimes. But yeah, that's how it's going so far. I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner just to go on the base. Here we are, all alone in this room. Oh, I don't know the rest of the words, yeah. I'll be alright, girl. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. So what we gonna do? First, bump and grind. Take me down. I really wanna take it down. Show you what I'm about. Let me take you down. So don't. Oh, I don't know the words. So I'm gonna go in with this brown eyeliner right here. Well, it's not really eyeliner, it's a brow pomade. And I'm going to put this on my eyelids, literally just at the base, so where the wing would be. I'm doing a thin one, because don't forget I'm going in with some gloss. Just almost turned purple, like a lilac, a dark lilac kind of colour. I'm not too mad about it, but it's not what I was going for. I think it's that colour is more purpley than brown. I kind of messed it up, my bad. But we move, we're just gonna keep going. So I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Academy Intense Colour Eyeliner, so it looks like right here. And I'm gonna line the waterline. To be fair, I wanna go in with white. It doesn't have to be all dark, does it? No, not really. It's too late. Okay, I'm loving it so far. This is just a quick look, guys. This is literally taking me 15 minutes, if that. So this is called the Lid Liqueur from NYX. So it's almost like a gloss. You can use clear gloss if you want to, but this is like specifically a gloss to put on your lids. I'm gonna go in with this small cream shadow brush, and this is, I still forget where this is from. But you know, it's just a small cream shadow brush. So now I'm going to place this on my upper eyelid. I'm just being careful. Where I've lined it, I've kind of like left that bare so that I can put my lashes on top of that without putting it on the gloss, if that makes sense. To be fair, you can put it on after your lashes, but I just find this to be easier. Bring it up to the brow, less sweaty there. Bring it over here, and more sweaty in the middle, I'm assuming. Oh, okay. That looks a bit better. I've got it on my freaking neck. I've got like a plum eye. How do people make it look so cute? I just feel like I'm sweating. Like profusely on my eyes. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. And put my lashes on. Wait, I'll do my lipstick first so you guys can kind of see the vision. I want to see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so the lip gloss I'm using is this Revlon Super Lustrous The Gloss in the shade Choco Crush. Like this gloss, I really like it. So, like, it's so pretty. Like, I think I will kind of see the vision with it on. Oh, are we seeing the vision? Are we seeing it? I'm kind of seeing it, guys. Kind of seeing it. Alright, guys. I'm seeing the vision. I'm seeing it. Do you guys, are you seeing the vision? Like, it's just a brown, natural, glossy kind of look. Now I've got to do my brows. I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera and I'll be right back with the full vision, period. Okay, guys, so I did it. Lashes are on. Oh my god, what lashes did I use? I feel like I got the vibes. Like, I got the vibes that I wanted to get. I was scared, but I did it. Alright, let me stop because I need to go to work. But the lashes I use are, I was about to say in the style, no, I was about to say in the shade, but in the style Bubble Pop. These are from Unicorn Cosmetics. I have a code, I'll leave it down below, but it is Shavonte, so you can get 10% off your order if you do purchase from them. I am so happy with this look. It is such a melanin. Look, guys, that's how much I am not serious. Like, my lash is not even on. I just plopped it on so that you guys can see the final look. Like, you just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. I just gotta finish my TikTok and then I gotta get ready for work. And I'll put my lashes on in the car. But, like, ignore that. Like, you guys can see the final, oh my god, I don't even talk in English. The final product. Period. By the time I'm fixing this lash so much, like, I could have just put them on. I really could have just put them on, but I can't myself for my eyelash glue. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel if you want to see future videos from me. And yeah, it was a quick tutorial, guys, but I did enjoy it, and if you guys like quick tutorials like this, then let me know, because I'll upload more. But yeah, I'm keeping my schedule because I am thebomb.com. But I hope you guys like this video. Press the bell notification so you want to get notified when I upload, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.